Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. I'm grateful for one of my subscribers for suggesting I cover this song from 1930, but a big hit for Nat King Cole in 1951. Walking My Baby Back Home. Gee, but it's great after staying out late, walking my baby back home. Arm in arm over meadow and farm, walking my baby back home. We go along harmonizing a song, or I'm reciting a poem. Hours go by and they give me the eye, walking my baby back home. We stop for a while, she gives me a smile and snuggles her head to my chest. We start into pet, and that's when I get her powder all over my vest. So after I kinda straighten my tie, she has to borrow my comb. One kiss, then we continue again, walking my baby back home. We stop for a while, she gives me a smile that snuggles her head to my chest. We start into pet, that's when I get her powder all over my vest. After I kinda straighten my tie, she has to borrow my comb. One kiss, then we continue again, walking my baby, loving my baby, walking my baby back home. As I've said, Walking My Baby Back Home is a popular song written in 1930 by Ruud Turk, who wrote the lyrics, and Fred E. Aylert, music. The song was first charted in 1931 with versions by Nick Lucas, got to number 8, and Ted Weems, who also got to number 8. Joe Stafford recorded it in 1945, Harry Rickman in 1947, Maurice Chevalier in 1931, but the major hit was by Nat King Cole in 1951. The song charted in 1952 again, got to number 4. Ronnie Ray recorded it in 1952 and peaked at number 12 in the UK singles charts. The movie Walking My Baby Back Home, starring Donald O'Connor, who also sang the song, Janet Leigh and Buddy Hackett. Then in 2008, Natalie Cole recorded the song as a virtual duet with her father. It was the first single for her album Still Unforgettable. That was in 2008. It's also been recorded by Bing Crosby, Dean Martin and many others. This song is often written in the key of G, but I found that a bit low, so I've rearranged it and transposed it to the key of C. But at the end I give scores in both keys, so you can choose whichever suits your voice best. The version I'm doing then in C starts with a C chord and has this little sequence of C, C major 7, just one fret lower, and then C6 with all the fingers off. So it's G, but it's great after staying out late, walking my baby. But then it goes to an A7 chord, boom, D minor, in A7, D minor, A7, walking, and then D7. Back. Second verse is just the same. Then the middle section starts with an E minor chord. We stop for a while, she gives me a smile, snuggles her head. Then it goes to B7, which you can play here with a bar. But I prefer it playing here for two reasons. One, it's the same shape as the E minor chord. So, snuggle her head to my chest. we start into bet, and that's when I get in the D7, her powder on G7. You can do the D7 here, of course, but I prefer the Hawaiian D minor, because that's the melody note. Then you're back to the same as before, then the instrumental part. At the very end, you've got walking my baby, loving my baby, walking my baby back home. You don't have to do that, of course, but that's an optional ending, and I think it goes rather well. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll have a go at it. But as always, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.